Assalamualaikum my dear students, how are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIE Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 1. Our today's topic is descending order. My dear student, today is our lecture number 30 of annual term, and there is a good news for you. There is no SW today. So my dear students, let us start our class. Our today's topic is descending order. Before starting to solve this math, at first we need to know what do you mean by descending order. Descending order, that means some numbers are given which are not arranged. We arrange the number in greatest to smallest form, okay, or largest to smallest form. So this is called descending order, that means larger to smaller. Okay, so here some numbers are given, here also some numbers are given which are not arranged. We arrange the number in descending order, that means smaller greater to smaller. So notice 1280, 1950, 1536, 1256, 1920. So first of all we write the place value of each number. 0 is in ones place, 8 is in tens place, 2 is in hundred place, and 1 is in thousand place. Similar as we like this 0 ones place, tens place, hundred place, and thousand place. Ones place, tens place, hundred place, and thousand place. Ones place, tens place, hundred place, and thousand place. Ones place, tens place, hundred place, and thousand place. Now write. So first of all, you notice the thousand place digit all are same. So there is no difference. So we can say all start from 1000. So we notice the next digit of the numbers. Okay. So next digit are here 2, here 9, here 5, here 2, here 9. So among 2, 9, 5, 2, 9, 9 and this 9 are greater than the others number. So this will be the greatest number or this will be the greatest number. But here notice both start from 9. So we shall go to the next number to take decision which one is the largest number. Here 5 and here 2. 5 is greater than 2. So we can say this one is the largest number. So now write this one 1950. Okay. Next one. This one is the second largest number, that means we write here 1920. Okay. And remain three numbers here 1280, 1536, 1256. As the thousand place number is same, so we notice the hundred place digit. Here 252. Among these three digit 5 is greater. So this one is the third greatest number 1536. So this one is done. So I count this. Now remain two number 1280 and 1256. From these two number 1280 is the largest number. So we write this 1280 and 1256. Okay, it is the smallest number among the whole number. Okay, so I cut this both. Now I check our answer is right or wrong. 1950, 1920, 1536, 1280, 1256. So this number is arranged in descending order, that means larger to smaller. Okay, our next one. Okay, here some numbers are given which are not arranged. We want to arrange the number in descending order, that means larger to smaller. So first of all we notice the thousand place digit. Okay, so before starting to count the thousand place digit, at first write the place value. Ones, tens, hundred, and thousand. 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 So notice here hundred place digit are same. So we go to the hundred place digit. So here notice 0, 9, 8, 1 and 2. 5 different digit. So notice which one is the greatest digit. Here among 0, 9, 8, 1, 2, 9 is the greatest digit. So, it is the largest number, that means 1925. This one is done. Next, from 0, 8, 1 to 8 is the greatest number. So, next we write this number 1856. This one is also done, and left these three numbers. From these three numbers we notice 0, 1 and 2 is in second place, that means 100 place. And among these three digits, 2 is the greatest number. So, I write this one is the third greatest number. Okay, done. Next, left 0 and 1. 1 is greater than 0. So, this one is the greatest number between these two numbers, 1, 1, 2, 3. So, this one is done. And finally, 1001 left. So, we write this number here 1001. My dear students, I hope you have understood my today's lectures, and you are very smart learner. I have already know, because you have already submitted your wall SW. On your SW you have shown your performance. So, my dear students, I hope you have understood my today's lecture. So, my dear students, please don't neglect your classes. You must do your assigned class regularly from YouTube class, and you must keep attention to your study at home. So, my dear students, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.